Hello, welcome to the channel. This is going to be my first networking video on the channel. I hope you enjoy. I was going to start it out with the basics, IP addressing and binary, but I wanted to start it out fun. I wanted to kind of grab people into this. There's two types of people. There's those who find networking to be tedious and boring, and those who find it to be really fun. I'm the second category, and one reason why it's so fun is because I was introduced into, I was introduced into networking multiple times. The first time that I got into networking was in college, and the way they taught it was just so disengaging. I'll put it like that. A lot of people didn't stick with it. There was just not a good environment for learning. So what I have up on the screen here is a program called Packet Tracer. This is free off the Cisco website. And what it does is it allows you to explore and build network topologies from scratch. They also have lots of tutorials and labs that you could download and learn. So if you're studying for a CCNA, CCNP, part of Cyber Patriot, this is going to be the environment that you're going to want to be learning in. So I'm just going to run through some of the cool things you could do in Packet Tracer. I'm not going to get too far into it. I'm going to leave that for later videos. But I just want to show you what this program is all about from a beginner's perspective. So I'm not going to go into technical stuff yet. So what I have on the screen are devices that you might find in Packet Tracer. So at the bottom left is where all the devices are going to be. And all you do is drag a device onto the map, and you could delete whatever item that you don't want, just like that. So just to show you, we have laptops, we have servers, we have printers, we have phones, TVs, wireless tablets, smart devices. They could all be dragged onto the screen and incorporated into your network. Virtual cabling, right? These are all the different types of cables that you might see, and they're conveniently labeled. So if you click this Thunderbolt, it'll pick the kind of cabling and the port. So these are the port numbers. And so if we cable up this network, this is a network you might find on your home this is like a topology you'll find on your home network. We're dealing with Wi-Fi, so you might have what's called a wireless router. And I think that's in wireless devices. Yep. So here's all your wireless devices. So you might have a home router. So you see how this tablet is communicating automatically with the wireless router. We didn't set anything up yet, but that's what we're doing. So then there's the physical side of things where you can actually make physical maps. You could add cities next to each other to create WANs. And if you click inside the city, this is the city now. Inside the city, you can have offices. Inside the office, you have rooms. You can go inside the room and it'll actually show you the devices that you set up on a rack. Can you believe that? You could add another rack if you want. Oh, we don't need to do that. But you could go back. You could set up another closet. So you have 2 closets where all your devices sit. You could add a table, right? For your computers to sit on, or whatever other devices you want on there. I could drag this router. Okay, I guess that one can't be placed on the table. But you could place items, this is all technical. I won't get into it. I just wanted to do just a quick introduction to the channel. A quick introduction to the environment in which we're going to be working. And just some encouragement for people getting into networking, that it could be really fun given the right environment, the right teacher, the right lessons. So thank you for checking out my first video. In the next video, I'm going to start at the beginning with binary and IP addressing. So thank you. See you next time.